What's up, guys? My name is Kevin, and this is my 2016 Chevy. Dropped on a 3.5, has 22-inch rim. I have a Corsa exhaust tips. It's like go, you see me? Come inside. This right here. This gives me about 100 more horsepower. You can't really see it right here. In here, I got some 6.5 vocal speakers. Right here, I got the vocal tweeters. Back here, I got some JBLs. They're 10s. I got a sunroof, you know, just in case I want to get a tan line when I'm driving. Come back here. You know, I got this sticker from Chucking Around. If you ain't chucking, we ain't fucking. Yeehaw! So, motor wise, I got a AFE power intake. I got a small cam. I got headers, short tube headers. They're right there. It's a V8 too, so we need V6 around here. I'll turn that off so you guys can hear. There was like $5 right there in gas. Shit, I can't be doing that shit around here, you know? Gas is going up and the trucks are going down. Oh, that shit was about weird.